right, Gary Slaughter again. Slaughter Outdoors. We're going to go up in the cockpit of a C17 Globemaster. And this is your hostess, Elise.
Hi.
So you're going to go on my YouTube channel.
Oh,
Slaughter Outdoors. I need more subscribers.
I will, I promise.
So anyway, we're going to go up in the cockpit, take a look around, and show you what it's like to be in a C17. And I hope you enjoy it.
Take a picture of them in the window. There's nobody in the front.
Ready?
Have fun.
Thank you.
Don't grab the door. That'll
guys.
probably hurt if it comes down.
All right, here's where I sit. Pilot seat. C17 Globemaster.
All right, Mom's gonna go first. Okay?
It's looking out the window.
No.
Mom, I'll go last. I'll go last.
3 points of contact.
Look
Look at all the controls. Jesus.
Okay, just hold on to these when you get down. Okay? Go.
Pretty cool stuff, people. Pretty cool.
Come on, people are waiting. Get off.
Name or rank, or you?
I'm good.
You good? That's
I'm
it?
good. Yep.
That's it?
That's all we're good. Yep.
Okay.
I'm
But
good. Don't you
I'll,
worry.
I'll leave you
I'll
alone.
just say I'm one of the pilots.
Are you really?
Yep.
You lucky guy, you. All right, one of the pilots right here. So you're gonna be on my YouTube channel, by the way.
Okay.
You're good with that. You old enough to fly this thing?
Is that for me? Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, let's get out of here and give somebody else a chance. But pretty cool stuff.